Could the future of blockchain technology lie within the blazing fast, highly scalable ecosystem of Solana? That's the question that sparked Alex's journey into the depths of this innovative platform. Alex, a developer with a keen interest in cryptocurrencies, was intrigued by Solana's promise. He'd heard about its lightning-fast transaction speeds and low fees, and he was eager to explore what else it had to offer. Venturing into the world of Solana, Alex found himself face-to-face with its unique consensus mechanism, proof of history. This groundbreaking approach allowed Solana to process thousands of transactions per second, a speed that could rival even traditional financial networks. It dawned on Alex that with Solana's high throughput, he could construct decentralized applications that could handle immense user demand, all without sacrificing performance. Overwhelmed by the possibilities, Alex began to ponder potential use cases for Solana. He realized that its speed and scalability made it a prime candidate for a variety of applications, from decentralized finance to non-fungible tokens and beyond. In the realm of decentralized finance, Solana's rapid transaction confirmation times meant that users could execute trades, lend and borrow assets, and provide liquidity with near instantaneous settlement. This efficiency could attract traders and investors seeking to capitalize on market opportunities without the hindrance of slow transaction speeds or high fees. Yet, Solana's utility didn't stop there. Alex was struck by its potential in powering non-fungible token marketplaces. Artists and creators could mint, buy, and sell digital assets with ease. With Solana's low transaction costs, creators could reach a wider audience, monetize their work more effectively, while collectors could own and trade NFTs without the burden of exorbitant gas fees. As Alex delved deeper into Solana's ecosystem, he found a vibrant community and a thriving network of projects and protocols. From decentralized exchanges and automated market makers to gaming platforms and decentralized autonomous organizations, Solana was fueling innovation across various industries, empowering developers and users alike to participate in a decentralized future. Alex came to the realization that Solana was more than just a cryptocurrency token. It was a catalyst for change, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible in the blockchain space. Its speed, scalability, and vibrant community were transforming our interaction with technology, opening up new avenues for creativity, collaboration, and financial inclusion in the digital age. Equipped with the understanding of Solana's potential, Alex set out on his journey to construct the next generation of decentralized applications, excited to contribute to a future where innovation knows no bounds. In conclusion, Solana isn't just another player in the blockchain arena, it's a game changer, a beacon of innovation with the potential to revolutionize the digital world. Just as it did for Alex, Solana invites us all to explore its capabilities and join in the making of a more decentralized, efficient, and inclusive digital future.